Hey guys, I'm Georgia and I'm back here at Shoes of Hollywood doing another shoe review for you today. So today I've got another brand from the shoe brand Pleaser. So this is the product code, it's ADORE-709. So now that you guys have seen that, we'll open the box and see what they look like. Now this again comes with the travel bag in between, and this is just great for storage, protecting your shoes, all that sort of stuff. Then the shoes will come in individual dust bags, so I'll take them off. And these ones are super protected, so they're perfect if you're ordering online, they'll come to you safely. So they've got the paper that's wrapping them up, and then this here protecting the glitter. So this is what the shoes look like first up. So they have the opal glitter bottoms and then the silver holographic straps and buckle, and they are so beautiful. So I'll just get the other one done for you guys. I'll open it up. They are super protected in the box. Okay. So now, looking at them, these shoes again have the memory foam bottom with the gold label, so that then is also extra cushioning and it'll remember the shape of your foot. And then we have the holographic silver strap and buckle, and then the opal glitter, which is so nice in different lighting. And then again on the bottom we have the gripping, so it makes it super easy to walk in. So I'll put them on for you guys now. Now I like to adjust them pretty tight just so it makes my feet really secure in there. And since the shoes are brand new, when you're doing up the buckle, it might take a couple of goes just to press the through the hole just to make it in place, because they are brand new. I'll put the other one on for you guys. Now these ones are the 7-inch heel, and I must say I'm a bit nervous because I've never walked in 7-inch heels before, but wish me luck. So this is just another view of the shoes before I start walking. They are so nice. If you can see the holographic there. Okay, so we'll give them a walking test now. So just give you guys a quick walk. They are surprisingly really easy. Well, so far. So comfortable with that memory foam bottom. Give you guys another walk. Now I'll give you guys a close-up of the shoes. They are so nice. I'll go over here to sit down so you guys can get a better look at the shoes. So, if you can see here, the holographic on the straps and then that glitter on the heels and the platform, they are so beautiful. Now, I know how much you guys love looking at the shoes in the sunlight, to see them glittering and all that sort of stuff, so we'll go outside to have a look at them in the sun. Now also make sure you like and subscribe to the Shoes of Hollywood YouTube channel so you can see more videos and more shoe reviews just like this one. And let me know how I'm going also walking in the 7-inch heels, because like I said, I was a bit nervous. Now I'll do a quick turn for you all in the sunlight. Now we'll go out to the sun so you can see what the holographic and glitter look like. Wow. Now I'll do another quick turn of the shoes so you can see them in the sunlight. You can really see it shine here. There. So lovely. I'll do a turn for you all. Okay. Now, these shoes are so secure to walk in, and it's because of the gripping on the bottom. It makes them super easy, and then that memory foam on the base of your foot makes them so comfortable. Now, I'll do another turn for you guys just so you can see what they look like in the sun. So beautiful. You can really see that glitter sparkle when it hits the sunlight. Okay. Give you guys one final look over outside. I just love the way it looks when the sun hits that glitter and the holographic design. Looks so beautiful. Okay, we'll go back inside now. Now I'll do one final walk for you guys so you can see how they look. I am so impressed with how comfortable they are, considering they are 7 inches, and I have never walked in 7-inch heels before, so this is kind of daunting for me. Okay, now I'll give you guys one final look over again just before I take these ones off. I really love the glitter and the holographic in these ones. They are so beautiful, especially when the sun picks them up. You can really see it shine. Okay, now I'll go over here to take these ones off now. Now, I just love these shoes. They are so beautiful. So I'll take the other one off for you guys. Now I'll give a final overview of the shoes for you. So, it has the opal glitter on the heel and the platform, which is the 7 inches. Then we have the holographic silver on the buckle and the strap here. Then again we have the cushion, the memory foam bottom with the gold label, which is super supportive, and the grip on the bottom. So I'll give you guys one final look over. You can see that design. Thank you all so much for watching another review today. Let me know down below how I went in the 7-inch heels, because I was kind of nervous, but let me know how I went, and make sure you press the notifications in the corner so that you can be notified every time we upload a new YouTube video. So thank you so much for watching today.